Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining this presentation. I'm Jasper Singh from Piawai Jillas, and we are agents for the Green Planet Demand Control Drives. In this presentation, I'm going to talk about the system, how does it work, and what are the potential savings that you can gain. So, the Green Planet DCD is a Malaysian product developed locally, and it functions by using a combination of sensors and proprietary software to optimize your air conditioning system's performance. Now, it's not an inverter system, and it's also not a demand control ventilation system. Now, these work differently, and particularly now with COVID-19, there is a need to not use a demand control ventilation system, which makes our solution a bit more attractive because this system works on getting efficiency from the motors that run that system, and it does not affect your airflow in any way. If at all, it actually makes your airflow a lot better. So your system performs better. And if you have decided to keep your air conditioning system running longer to ventilate your buildings, then you can do so uh, and at the lower cost. So this is a time when the savings are particularly important. Now, in terms of applications, you can use them anywhere: airports, hotels, malls, shopping centers, schools, anywhere where you've got commercial air conditioning systems installed, anywhere you've got big motors that drive systems, such as lifts and escalators, we can apply this. Now, in terms of potential savings, based on the work that we have done and the systems that we have installed, there is huge potential. At the motor level, we get 40% or more from all kinds of installations that we have done. Now, how does it work? It's not that complicated. Basically, the software and the sensors work to optimize your motor performance using real-time data and using a learning mode where the software will learn what are the performance parameters that your building needs to achieve the standard that you have set, the temperature that you have set, and then from there, it works to optimize based on that demand using the data from the sensors to find the best cooling curve. And once that's done, the system monitors the delta T and makes sure that the peak performance is obtained. So basically what it is doing is it's removing the wastage from your system. And, and the algorithms are particularly useful to do that because they process the data from the sensors to make sure that your system is performing without or with the least amount of wastage. Now that's basically how the savings are achieved, uh, but there are a lot other benefits that come from doing that. For example, you get less humming sound, you get less radio frequency noise going into the building. Um, you also get, more importantly, an energy reduction of more than 40% without loss of efficiency. So the ROI of the system is less than 2 years, and I think that's one of the biggest value propositions here. You get a more efficient system running at a lower cost. Now, we all know that cooling takes up the bulk of our energy and water consumption. And in terms of savings for commercial buildings, these are the numbers that we are getting. So this is not just from our test data, but it's also from actual performance of systems that we have installed. And I mean, there's no doubt this is going to translate into monthly savings for any customer. Now, how does it work? Firstly, the most important thing is that you get better motor function. Right now, your motors are running at a constant speed. Even those who have installed inverter systems, they still have improvement potential there. And on typical startup, the motors generate a high torque, and this feeds into your maximum demand. So our system comes with a slow speed function, which manages that demand, and it also ensures that the motors then generate less noise and less radio frequency. Now, this translates into a lower maximum demand curve. And we all know that a maximum demand curve is a really difficult thing to manage, and any reductions there are valuable and worth pursuing. But that slow start feature also reduces wear and tear. So in the long run, you will also get a benefit in terms of better maintenance requirements, and an increase in the lifespan of your large motors. Now, controlling the motor also has an additional benefit in terms of better airflow. So it manages the turbulence. The sensors track the turbulence within the system, and it manages it to reduce the turbulence and ensure that the air flows more smoothly through your air conditioning system, which then also gives you a reduction in noise. Installation is very easy. It's a retrofit system. It's not intrusive, um, and it has a built-in monitoring function. So it's very easy to maintain and it's very easy to generate reports out of it. And it also comes with a restarting feature. So because you've got software driving it, if your motor stops for any reason, then the system is smart enough to auto restart. Now, this is a list of our current and potential customers. As you can see, we've applied this in all sorts of locations, from pumps at a water distribution plant right down to malls and commercial buildings. And these are the potential savings that we have gotten. So you can see from this data, all of this data, by the way, is from single AHU units, and some of the savings we have accumulated as well. So, in the case of this mall, these are the savings that we are seeing from a single AHU unit, and that translates into significant ringgit per month. Similarly, at the Senai Airport, at the Ampang Putri Hospital, My Town Shopping Center, I think they are evaluating the system right now. You can see the data in terms of what kind of savings that you can get pre and post installation. Now, these are not just claims that we are making. I'm happy to tell you that our system has been certified by CREM, TNB Research, and currently the only one certified by Green Tech Malaysia. So, uh, what we are proposing to you has been independently verified, and you'll be able to see from the data yourself once we do a test at your location. Now, what are the other benefits you can get? I think for organizations that do sustainability reporting, the carbon reduction is a huge advantage. Energy costs, any reduction in energy costs is a long-term reduction in your carbon output, and you can also benefit from tax benefits. So, sustainability is the way to go right now, and there are a lot of government incentives available. So that those are the two additional benefits you can get from the system. So I'm guessing your next question is what is the cost? So in terms of cost, what we can tell you is that the ROI is below 2 years, which is a great piece of news for anybody thinking about investment in green tech. And in terms of the actual cost, it's usually customized to the building and the setup that you've got. And in order to do that, we will have to come and do a site visit. But more than that, we also do tests for all of our potential customers so that you can have a data-driven decision. So give us a call. We will come and install the system at a spot that you select. We will look at the different parameters that we monitor, as well as any parameters that you want to keep an eye on. For example, if you're worried about air balancing or airflow or temperature changes and things like that, we will then do an actual test for you to see how the system performs so that you can use that data to make a decision on whether you want to proceed or not. And all of that is on us. There's no cost to you. Um, Give us a call, book a test, or just send us an email and we'll be happy to talk about this a little bit more and see what are your specific requirements so that our engineers can do an assessment and give you a proposal for a test. Thank you so much.